Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve when 100 power x minus 1 is equals to 99 and we have to find the value of 100 power x plus 1. So let's start with today's video solution. So according to the quotient rule, we can say that x power m over x power n is equals to x power m minus n. So we have given 100 power x minus 1 in terms of x power m minus n. So I can write it as 100 power x over 100 is equals to 99. If I'll take 100 to other side, the value of 100 power x is 99 times 100. The value of 100 power x is 9900. Now we have to find the value of 100 power x plus 1. So according to the multiplication rule, we can say that x power m times x power m is equals to x power m plus n. So 100 power x plus 1 is equals to, I can write 100 power x times 100. So the value of 100 power x is 9900 times 100. That is 990000. 100 power x plus 1. I hope it's easy to solve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.